Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy A20 in June 2021. So let's take a look at how you can insert a SIM card. So I'm going to put this one in. Now the SIM card tray is located on the left hand side of the device. We're going to need to use a SIM pin and simply push it in. It's very light on this model. All you have to do is just gently push it in and the SIM tray will pop out like so, and then we're just going to pull out the SIM tray. It is quite a long SIM tray because this model does support dual SIM, but depending on the variant that you are getting. Okay, so here is the SIM tray and we're going to place the SIM card. So just going to place it this way, and we need to place it with the metal contact facing down. So that just seems to fall right off. So there it is. So you want the metal facing down like that, and then we're going to insert it into the SIM slot like so, and then just push it all the way in, and that's it. And that's how you can insert the SIM card into the Galaxy A20. To remove it, just push the SIM pin in, and once the SIM tray has ejected, you can pull it out, remove the SIM card, and put back the blank SIM tray. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.